Welcome to EngTech Media, your gateway to engineering and technology. Subscribe now for more innovative content.
So, as I was saying, this is our site. Let me click on it. Alright, let's preview our site. Open a new tab.
Challenges we face, hands tied in place, struggle day and night, but we keep up the fight. Rise up Nigeria, let your light shine bright. Youth of tomorrow.
Network is very slow. So what I'm going to do now is we're going to add write-up to each of these images. Like for this is the header image. Yeah, so there should be write-up here. So I'm going to add write-up to each of the images. So I'm going to go back to our site now, our dashboard. Right, so I'll click on this. I want to add image here. I'll click on it. Okay, I want to add text to our image. I'll click on the text. You can see text is already here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to add to all of them. So I'll click on this one too. So now let us check our site. Let's see what it looks like. Just open that in new tab, so let's check it out. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add write up to each of these images. So let's go back. Alright, so this is the three images that we have. This is our header image. So now I'm going to add write up to each of the image. You can see that there are three different images. These are supposed to display if you're using your laptop. It's going to be one here, the other one, then the last one. So I'm going to put up some write up beneath these images. The reason why they are showing one way because we are using because we are previewing it with our phone. You know, phone cannot. It has a very small screen, so these three images are supposed to be on one row. All right, I hope you understand that. So let's go back. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add image to each of these. I'm going to add write up to under this image. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on it. I'll just click on this particular one. Sorry, you go back. So as usual, I will have to come here. That's where we have our bundle. So I'll click on this. That was a mistake. So I'll click on this. My system, my phone is malfunctioning because of this screen recorder. Alright, let's proceed. Achieve is not what I wanted to do. Let me delete that. So I just go back to. I'm looking for test. So I'll click on test. Alright. So now, this is the title of my test. We have my title here and the write-up here. So I have some tests. I have some tests on my email. You just go there and copy them out. Alright, these are my tests. I'll just copy them out. Hit on copy. Then go back to my dashboard. So I'm going to paste it here.
Challenges we face, hands tied in place. Struggle day and night, but we keep up the fight. Rise up, Nigeria, let your light shine bright. Youth of tomorrow, bring us to new heights. Challenges we face, hands tied in place. Struggle day and night, but we keep up the fight. Rise up, Nigeria, let your light shine bright. Youth of tomorrow, bring us to new heights. Battles we endure, strength inside and pure.
So
Unseen yet so strong, we
the write-up are bolded. I don't want it to be on bold. So I'm going to remove it from that.
together we grow. From the ashes we born, we weather the storm. Rise up, Nigeria, let your
Better still, let me just
bright. Youth of tomorrow, bring us to new heights.
let me just write the title first. Title, then we copy that. We copy it. So I'm going to paste that here. Paste. Alright, I'll hit done. Okay, we are done with that. I'll click on this one now. So what I have to do, I will go back to this place. After clicking here, so I've come back here. Click on test. Got my test here. So we're going to pop up edit myself. So I'll come back. I'm going to copy this. So I'll just copy all this. So I don't want the video to be too long. I'll hit on done. So I'm going to pause the video. I'll just go and feed the remaining one, which is this one. Alright, I'm done setting that up. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to update. After updating, we'll check our site to see the changes it has made. Alright, so I will just check my website now. Alright, you see what I'm talking about. Is it right up? Yeah. website is up. So you see the way it is. So this is how you build your website. This image, this is our header image, and this home image showing up. So I'm going to remove it. This is our header image. I think I'm going to put some right up there. And this, we already know how to put up right up. I might do that, maybe not in this video. So in our next video, we're going to look at how to set up your contact us page so that people can send you a message and you will receive the message. There's an app that I'm going to use for that. Contact us. Then the about us. So that's about us is very simple. So in our next video, we're going to look at this too. Thanks for watching.